If there's one constant on the internet, is that there's always change. With Google Chrome, and now in July 2018, they're going to be listing and labeling sites that don't have SSL certificates as unsecure. They'll be presenting a warning to your visitors before they come to your site, saying this site is not secure. And that's going to be happening soon, any day now, because it's July, right now, July 2018. And that is going to hurt your visitors. That's going to make them not want to come to your site, a lot of them, unless they know you and trust you already. Think of if you find a random search result and you want to read what it says, you click on it and it says this site's unsecure. You're probably not going to want to go there. Go back, you find a different one where you don't get that message. And this is happening to every site that does not have an SSL certificate if the visitor is using Google Chrome. And I'm going to talk more about this starting right now. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another tutorial. It's Bjorn from WPLearningLab, where we help you get better at WordPress so you can earn more for yourself, for your clients, and for your business. If you're new here and you haven't done so yet, make sure you subscribe because I'm always sharing new WordPress tips, tricks, and hacks, and just ways to make your life easier and better with WordPress. And if you also haven't joined our Facebook group yet, you should check that out in the link in the description down below. It's a free group. It is a private group, so you have to apply for it, but it's free. And you can come in there and chat WordPress. We help each other. We get better at WordPress, and we do this all kinds of WordPress-related stuff in that group. And with that out of the way, let's head on the screen capture. So it's now July 2018, July 3rd, and any day now, Google Chrome browser, the one I'm using right now, and the one that millions of people around the world use, is going to start marking sites that don't have SSLs as unsecure. SSL being what provides the HTTPS up here and the secure with the green lock up here. A lot of sites already have it because for many years now in SEO, Google has been giving preference to sites that have SSL certificates. And there's a lot of hosting accounts that are giving free SSL certificates. So it was easy to acquire before, a couple years before. Even now, some hosts require you to buy SSLs for up to $60 a year. Many hosts provide them for free. Depends on your host. But now Google is going to mark sites that don't have them as unsecure. Now in the past, the way you decided if you need an SSL was whether or not you're taking orders directly on your domain. And if you were, you had to have an SSL to process those orders and keep those credit card numbers secure. But you could have had a situation where your site, if someone clicks add to cart, it takes them to a separate cart software, like SamCart for example, and they check out on their domain that's secured. And that's okay, because the credit card info is safe. But now, your site could just be a blog that doesn't collect any personal data, and it will require an SSL. Otherwise, you're going to be marked as not secure, and you'll likely lose visitors, because nobody wants to see the not secure Google Chrome warning, because they'll get scared. Even though you're not collecting anything, even though you're not collecting any data, so there's no reason for it to be secure, you'll still be marked as not secure. So I recommend you get a free SSL from your host. If your host does not offer free SSLs, either buy one or switch hosts. Those are the two options. I don't know if you use HostGator, but a lot of people do. Last week, they announced free SSLs for everybody in response to this happening because they didn't want to have customers jump ship to get a free SSL somewhere else. So they said, okay, we'll make all of our SSLs free. InMotion has had free SSLs for a long time. WP Engine has had them for a long time. Let's Encrypt is what kind of brought that about, where Let's Encrypt started doing free SSLs for anybody who wanted them, open source, and now all these hosts are incorporating that. So if your host does not offer a free SSL, contact the support and ask, because why pay for something that you can get free for somewhere else? It's like getting a coffee from Starbucks when you get the same coffee down the road from the bootlegger for free. I mean, why would you pay for the Starbucks one if you get the same thing down the street? So that's how it works. I hope this video helps you. If you haven't done so yet, click subscribe, then the bell notification icon so you don't miss anything. Check out the Facebook group in the description down below, and then check out one of these videos that pop up on the right-hand side so you get even better at WordPress. Until next time, keep crushing it, and I will see you in the next video.